If at all you know someone who has lost his or her life during the pandemic, this video message will be definitely helpful to their families. Now, let's say that person was working in the private sector and he was working in an organization that had more than 20 employees. In that scenario, this person is automatically a member of the EPFO, that is Employee Provident Fund Organization. When you are a member of the EPFO, you are automatically a member of the EDLI scheme, which is the Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. Under the Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme, in short form, which is called as the EDLI, the family of the deceased can get benefits of minimum of about 2.5 lakh rupees to about 7 lakh rupees. Now, how do we calculate what is the amount that the family can get? Let's say that person was earning on an average 10,000 rupees in the last 12 months. The family has to multiply 35 times with this 10,000 rupees, which will come up to 3,50,000 rupees, and add up the bonus amount of 1,75,000 rupees, which will come up to 5,25,000 rupees. Now, let's say somebody was who was earning about, let's say, 30,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. In that scenario, they'll have to multiply 15,000 rupees with 35 because the EDLI scheme is capped at 15,000 on the maximum end. Now, what happens in that case scenario? The amount will come up to 5,25,000 rupees, and then they'll have to add the bonus amount of 1,75,000, which will go to the extent of 7 lakh rupees. So that is the maximum amount that a family can get if at all their salaries is more than 15,000 rupees. So hopefully this money can help their families in some or the other way. The lost life cannot be brought back. At least some amount of finances can help them tide away from the unforeseen circumstances that they are in right now, right? So all that they need to do is download the form 5F from the EPFO website or from the Google. They'll have to fill it up completely, attach the death certificate with the EPFO form, and take this form 5F to the employer, get a signature from the employer, and if the employer is not available and that employer has shut shop either because of the losses in pandemic, they can go to the bank branch in which they have a bank account, get the signature of the branch manager, go to the EPFO commissioner in the nearest place where you're residing, get it claimed, initiate the claim, and if the EPFO commissioner fails to initiate the claim within 30 days, you are entitled to get a 12% interest per annum on the amount of money that you are entitled to. So there are higher chances of getting more than at least 7 lakh rupees, but hopefully the EPFO commissioner initiates the claim and you get the money as soon as possible. But in unforeseen circumstances, even at that place, you are still entitled to get a higher amount of money. So hopefully this message reaches to as many people as possible, for those people who have unfortunately lost their dear breadwinner, and for those people who did not know about this scheme can also know about this scheme, right? So thank you so much for being part of this video. I hope this message reaches as many people as possible and it benefits the larger humankind.